December 6, 12. Okay. I press the background music. Who is this cat? It's my cat. Hello. Wala lang, gusto ko lang to subukan. Nagla-loading. I'm just trying to see if this model looks nice. This is a chibi. Mas bagay. Titingnan ko lang. Wait lang, may papakita pa ako. Wait, titingnan natin yung yung bagay kasi di pa kayo, sanay na kayo doon. Tingnan nyo. I grew up. Ayan na, teenager. Tapos ito pa. Ay, wait lang. Ayan na. I grew up again. Oops, naka-crop pala to. Oops. Whoopsie. Ba't ganun? Ano nangyari? Nalutang yung pang-wifi. Wait lang. Oh, now. She looks big na. I'm biblically accurate, oh. I have 3 hands. Diba? Look. Looks okay rin. Looks quite nice. Diba? Did you lock her in your basement? Hindi. Mas mabilis magbalot ng show ay pag Okay, I just wanted to show this. Kaya ako tumagal kasi may in-edit ako dito eh. Wait, tapos ano nga bang gagawin ko? Papalitan ko na. Marhaya. Where's my Marhaya? Marhaya modeling. Oh, a cat. It's a fox. Just got home from Abra. Sarap ng hangin, malamig at malinis. Wow! Galing sa province. Wait lang, ayusin ko to. Settings. EF. Ano nga ba yung ano nito? Yung gaming? Ano nga ba yung gaming nito? Nakamay? Z. Ayun. A vixen. Hello, Jura. Kitsune. It's ano nga ba sa Chinese yun? It's just Chinese, parang Chinese kitsune. Wait lang, lalakihan ko lang ako. See, I have hands. Ay, hindi pala kita. Ayan. Kita yung hands. League update. I got on-site work. Life update? Akala ko naman league. Akala ko league update. After 6 months of searching. Wow, congrats, BB Babaps! Wala ka, Aya Kalbo. Hindi ako kalbo. Wait lang, nasa yung salamin ko? Where's my salamin? Hindi ako makakita. F. Ayan na. Okay, I'm ready. Hindi ko nga alam kung anong gagawin ko. Parang ayoko nito laruin. Gusto ko mag-Firelight na lang. Tapos mag-aano ako, mag-throw. Firelight na lang lalaruin natin muna. Close muna natin to. Firelight. Firelight muna tayo. Ay, nagda-download pa ng content. Ano ba yan? Anong lalaruin muna natin? Sky Children of the Light. Ay, hindi, we're Windsmith muna. Na-download pa yung yung Firelight. Sobrang late ko na nag-stream. Grabe. Yan, we're Windsmith muna tayo. Sana yan. We're Windsmith. Yan. Sali sana kasi di pa naka-DL. Nag-reset ng PC. Oh! I see. Na-download pa. Loading pa pala, nag-loading. Pwede nyo pala tong i-landscape. Para mas malaking game. Yeah. Wait, ano to? Oh my gosh, may music pala to. Papatayin ko muna yung ko. Kailangan ko kayo i-move sa kabila. Hello, Washi! Wait lang, kailangan ko alisin yung background music. Tapos maglalaro na tayo. Ay, hindi. Kailangan ko i-move tong para makikita ko yung ni-stream ko. Ayan. It's been a while. Going back to Honolulu. Is this kung saan nagtatakbo po ang hangin. Hello, friends. I am late again. Going back to Honolulu. What Honolulu? It's been a while. Welcome back, Woshi. Resume. Ay, resume. Late din kami. Sobrang late. Kasi, I was, playing with the Fox model. Hello, Trishie! Good afternoon! Pwede nyo pala to i-landscape para makita nyo yung... Wait lang. Lalakihan, anuhin ko nga yung yung camera. Camera sensitivity. Ayun. Tataasan ko. Yan. Ay, kasi parang parang... Yan. Ay, nagbi-picture nga pala ako dito. Good afternoon. Musta weeks nyo mga eggnogs? Yeah, kumusta kayo all? Ooh, what the heck? Isa pa. Parkour. Wow, so cool. Paano ako mag-picture? Ayoko nang ganitong hair. Pwede po ba itong mabago? Pero pwede rin naman. Bagay-bagay naman. Ganda ng graphics. Anong game yan? It's Where Winds Meet. Kala nyo ba nakalimot na kami ni Wally sa... Bald Mr. Gabo. Bawal yan dito. Kung saan mo iniwan, dun pa rin till now. Yeah, pipicture tayo. P ba yung picture? Paano nga ba mag-picture? F7. Ay! Ay, may sakit ako! Ano ba yan? Paano ako pose, ayun. Tapos, lighting. Top side light. Custom light. Oh, yellow. Pwedeng yellow. Pink. Ayan. Oh, mas maganda yung dito. Ayan. Hello, Carl! 17. Bakit marami ka? Ayan. Tapos, dapat 1/3 kapag nagpi-picture 1/3. Tapos kung saang direction siya naka-face, doon dapat yung 1/3. Yan. Tapos ko siya zoom aperture. Yung aperture para maging blurred yung paligid. Tapos focal length, I don't remember. Kung ano to. enter. Ayan. So, 1/3 dapat. And enter. Wow! This is my, my save image. Play signpost. Ay, cancel. Upload to gallery. Cute girl. Cute girl. Ngani. Yan. Pero di kulot. Kaya nga Hello, Hernan. Space. Ayan yung mga gawa. Ito, mga picture ko. Tignan nyo. Oh, ako nagpicture niyan. Saan pa yung iba? Wala. Hindi ko pala in-upload yung iba. Man. Okay, I'm ready. Space. Nice. I'm ready to jump. Wait lang. What's that? Treasure! I tried to make my face kaso for some reason it can look mature enough. Gusto ko nga gumawa nga, nag-ano nga ako try nga ako mag-ano ng cute boy, feminine boy, kaso somehow, puro parang, yun nga, matured looking. Kailangan, gusto ko soft. Oh, maglalaban tayo. Oh my gosh, na-disconnect ako sa TikTok. Wait lang, na-disconnect ako. I'm here, I'm back. Wait lang. Magpapana muna tayo. Welcome back, guys. Na-disconnect ako somehow, somewhere. I don't know. Wala na akong arrow! Oh my gosh, I'm burning. Ihampas ang bow. Yay! Collect stuff, collect stuff. Collect stuff. Hindi pwede mabasag. Suntukin mo na lang. Katulad ng ginagawa ko sa Farlight. Wait, what's this? Just jump for an oddity. I jumped off but fell off the cliff then died. Wow, that's incredible. What the heck? So, should I jump? Kaso ang layo. Mamaya na ako magja-jump. Ano naman to sinulat niya? Clue here. Rice. Ano yan? Thanks for nothing and for standing in the way. What? Ano yun? Mag-aano muna ako. Magpakat ng puno. Hello, Muchiro. Ba't hindi ako makapagkat ng puno? Wait, saan na ako? Ang ganda ng area na to. Ba't nga ba ako nandito? Hindi nga pala ako gumagawa ng quest. Naglalakwatsa lang pala ako. Uy, may tao. Hello there. Are you a foe? Ooh, beautiful. Let's take a photo together. F7. Pro. Okay, I'm ready. Wala bang ano dito, post na maganda. Wait. Enter. Kala ko bubugbugin. Hindi, magpipicture kami together. Kunwari nahihiya ako sa kanya, ganun. Side stance. Ayun! Wala bang ano dyan? Yung nakatingin sa ano? Ayun, 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 ayun. Or ito. Quest. Wait lang. BC, BC. Wait lang. Lagyan natin ng lighting muna. Lighting muna. Ayun, ayun, ayun. Yung pag na ganun siya, sayang. Nagkakamot siya eh. Hindi maganda. Upload to gallery. Me and him. Mga ano, title ng Wattpad. Quest X, magpa-picture yung achievement unlock na photographer. Wait lang. Wait. Kailangan ko ng ano. Paano nga ba? Tagal nyo naman mag-post ng iba. Ay, save na lang. Mukhang nalilimos yung character. Not busy, no. Wait lang. Ano pa tayo ng ibang post? Wait lang. Ibang post na lang. Ayan. Ay! Hindi. Para akong nagpapakyut. Pero dapat siya yung nagpapakyut sa akin. Ganon. Pahingi daw candy. Wala ba magandang angle dyan? Tingin ka naman sa akin. Ano ba yan? Wait lang, guys. I'm busy. Wait lang. Alam ko na. Exit. Uusog ako dito sa harap niya. Tapos, yan. Dyan tayo magpo-pose. F7. Ay. Wait lang. Dapat mas maano. Mas malapit. Not my type. F7. Ayun! This is called angles, guys. Enter. Jade Beauty for real, for real. Wait, Pro. Where's my lighting? Lighting muna tayo. Yan. Tapos, yung pose. Oh my gosh, natutunan ko to sa Infinity Nikki. Alam niyo ba yung mga ginagawa ko? Yaw Ling Ling. Wait lang. Alam niyo ba ito yung ginagawa ko sa Infinity Nikki? Nagpipicture tapos dapat magandang angle. Ayaw niya kasi tumingin dito. Yung holding hands. Ayan na. Ay. Ay, pwede ko pala siya i-freeze. Oh my gosh. I-freeze ko yung guy. Hawak ko na yung chest niya. Ayun. Wait lang, wait lang. Hindi ko siya... Nonchalant. What did you miss? I'm just taking photos. Kaso ang pangit, bakit yung girl yung hawak ng ulo ng guy? Hindi pwede yon. Yan, space. Okay na to. Save image. Hanap pa tayo ng iba. Upload to gallery. Touching the face. Ah! I didn't say that, Dark. Control V. Publish. Ayan. Close. Wait lang, hanap pa tayo ng ibang angle. Enter. Ay, alam ko na. Dito yung ano, yung hand. Ay, kaso parang nga talaga ako nang hihingi, no? Hmm. Okay na to. Tama na, tama na. Bakit tirik mata ng character ko? Tignan nyo nga yung character ko. Ito yung itsura niya. Wait, nasan ba yung ano? Asan na yung easy? Ito. Pakita ko yung itsura ng character ko, oh. Yan! White yung mata niya. White yung mata niya. Babae na talaga matapang sa love. I already know that the guy feels uneasy because you're staring at him for 3 minutes. White yung eyes ko. Oh. Ganda ng ano, face, oh. So beautiful. Big eyes, big lips, big nose. White pala. Bye! I will kill you. Let's fight. Wait! Siya si Yao Lingling? What? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Challenge. Level 31 na siya. Mamamatay ako dito. Hindi ko siya pwede kalabanin. Pay, kailangan ko ata gumawa ng quest para ano. Kailangan ko ata gumawa ng quest para tumaas ako. Grabe naman. Easy lang yan, go. Magmakaawa ka na lang may pogi. Hindi, ayaw akong ipalaban eh. Hindi ko pwedeng pilitin na lumaban. Pinapaalis niya ako. Kasi daw greenhorn pa lang daw ako. Wait, nasaan na kaya ako? Hindi ko nga alam. Ayun yung quest. Oh, 900 900. Wait, kukunin ko yung pebble. Nasa yung pebble? Not worthy opponent. Wala na ata akong arrow. 26 na lang. Pinapang ko lang sa Pinapang hunt ko lang. At least marami na akong meat. Yun ang maganda. Pwede ba ako dito mag-slide? Hindi. Ready? Woo! Do I die? Oh, I die. Okay. Bayan, nabawasan yung gear durability ko. Heal. Ay, tawagin mo kabayo mo. Ay, oo nga, may kabayo nga pala ako. Salamat sa paalala. Nasaan ako? During fall, press Q to use a mighty drop to prevent injury. Meron pala yun. Muishue died to fall damage. Wait, where's my horse? I have horse. I snatched this horse. This horse is mine. Oops, mali. Wait, ano to? Let me bring my horse to the river and see if we can survive together. Uy, ang galing niya, oh! Ay, kaso merong kulay purple na thingy. Wait, saan na pala tayo pupunta? What's this? What's this? Pinapasundan niya ako. Free yung horse talaga if you're brave enough. Nasaan na yun? Yeah. Ooh. Ano yun? Is it a friend? may sinusundan ako. Ay, para siyang sili sa Genshin. No. Guard the butterflies lighting for hidden reward. Oh, para siyang sili. Nanakaw mo yung kabayo. I borrowed. I'm kind. I borrow horse. Yes. Hello, Ace. Wait, anong ginagawa ko dito? Nakuha ko na ba yung reward? F Sparrow Egg. Bababa na ako. Paano nga ba bumaba? Uy, pwede pala tumalon yung kabayo. Woo! Wait lang. Paano ko bumaba dito, Q? Ayan. Wait lang. Makikipaglaban muna tayo. Hasher. Holy snatch. What is... Hello, Roku. Nasa yung kalaban? Gusto niyo mapanood kung paano kumuha ng kabayo? I'll show you guys, okay? Ganito lang. Gusto ko white yung kabayo, so I pana them. O, tapos papalitan ko yung ko. Kaya yan. Oo, yung NPC. Hindi. Kasi siya, nanlaba. Joke lang. Nanlaman. Hala, grabe, sobrang dark. Sobrang dark ng aking humor. I'm sorry, guys. Some chests take time to open. For safety, open them remotely. Ay, freak. Ano nangyari? Hindi ko pa pala siya papatay. Misconduct leads to criminal activity. Lagot! May... Wanted na ako! Paano yun? Ala, kaya Rika. What the heck? What the heck am I gonna do? Should I run? Nasaan yung kabayo na kinuha ko? Gusto ko yun white yun eh. As I expected. Yes. I have white horse. I ran away. Horse, let's go together. Somewhere. Dun sa sa quest. Bakit kulay Bakit kulay violet to? Run. Papunta ng PNP. Let's go. Ay! Mamamatay yung horse! Namatay yung horse! Sayang lang yung yung pagpatay ko doon. Hello? Penguin Haraya. Ano yung Haraya? Bayan! Wait lang, call horse. Gusto ko puti. Nasaan na yun? Puti dapat na horse. Ay, kalaban. Yes, where winds meet. Ano yung 6? Wala akong Ay, hindi puti! Ano ba yan? Yes, where wind meets. Or winds meet? Or where wind meets. Hindi ko alam eh. Ooh, jumping. Uy! Merong sa loob. What's this? Ay, nakapunta na ako dito ah. Ito yung hindi ko magets kung anong ginagawa. Wait lang. Baba nga tayo. Sorry, mali. Kaya pala. Grabe naman. Wait, babas. Mamaya na ako mag-cheat. Hindi ko pa ba ito tapos? Nagawa ko na ba to? Mag-cheat na nga tayo. Ano yung sabi? How do I translate? Take the small statues from the back and place them there. Nasaan yung back? Ito? Ayun, may nakasulat na lift up. Focus ka lang sa mission side quest. Gather materials, malakas ka ni. Paano yun? Gather materials lang ginagawa ko. At Lakwacha. Mamaya na ako mag-quest. Put down. Yes! May reward ako. Kitty cat. Nung unang basa ko dito, akala ko sabi niya, the meow meow gave me balls. Pero bells pala. So, grave robber siya? Pwede ba kami maging friends? Why do you even ask? Why would anyone crawl into a cave? Probably not a person, but a cat might. House cats, stray black cats, white cats are nothing compared to my meow meow. This meow meow is no ordinary cat. It got clothes, a scar on its face, a fierce temper. What's truly extraordinary is that whenever it appears, there's treasure. But the moment I blinked, she was gone again. Forget it. I'd waste time talking to a kid like you. What do you mean? Do you want to be what? Hindi siya pwede, no? Anyways, bye. Gathering materials sa armor at swords and attachment. I haven't done quests. Yan, I'm back here to do quests. I will do quests na. Tama ba? Si Ruby ba yung kinakausap ko? Ah! Sige, I'll explore a bit more. Hello, Ace. I'm playing ano nga ba title nito? Where Wind Meets? Where Winds Meet. Parang Where Winds Meet ata. Fight the duck. Where's the duck? I want to fight the duck. Where's the duck? Is there a duck here? Where duck? What duck? What duck? Oh, the goose! I died from the goose. No, we don't fight the goose. I died from the goose. Winds where meet. Tips ng level 60 max. Wala pa yung 65. Ha? Hindi ako nagpapa-level. Ang gawain ko lang sa game na to ay mag-loot. Joke lang. Joke. Ayan na. I'm gonna play the game na. Must have been the wind. Wait. Saan ako pupunta? Who are you?
少东家，你真是偷溜出来的。俺娘子还把你看得那么严。
哎，都好几年没离开神仙渡了，再不出来换口气，快门！不过别跟我韩姨说，不然她肯定要发飙。
哎，3年前江大侠一去不回，韩娘子是担心你也有什么事。
Si Jiang yung uncle niya, di ba? Nakalimutan ka na. Pag ikaw nakulong dyan, ha? Take pictures with Ruby.
对不住了啊，江大侠这书先还给你吧。
Not with Ruby. I already took pictures with Aman earlier.
你随便逛逛，我去。
Wait, what am I gonna do? I have stuff! I'm rich! What the heck? Ang ganda naman ng color. Basta, ang ganda ng color ng talent points? Wait, what am I gonna do now? Sino yung pinupuntahan ko? Uy, ang daming gustong makipaglaban sa akin. Masyado kasi ako magaling. Fight me. Challenge.
会玩老鹰抓小鸡吗？啊，那就玩这个。
I died! O nga pala, hindi ko nga pala to kaya kasi namamatay nga pala ako dito. What the heck? Ayoko na. Bye, guys. Yo, TMS. Pag ako naglaro, skip all yapping. Hindi. I play... If I have story, I play with the story. Pinalaya, seryo. Wait, sino nga ba pinupuntahan ko? Return to Heaven's Sphere? Ang layo-layo naman.
今
Wait,
日
what time is it? It's 3:16. I have 45 minutes to play.
在意，
Okay, let's go. Maduga kalaban may fire at wind bending. Oh, embers. I need embers. Oh, I need mushrooms. What's this? Uy, fishing? Pwede ako dito
大家
mag-fish?
都等着韩一宣布大好消息，但我总觉得
Fishing
韩
area
一
ba to? Ayun!
别，
Hello!
许无牙嘴，
Can you teach me how to fish? Huh? Want a fishing rod. Press B. Yes, I have a fishing rod. Gear. Quick use. Space. Equip. Yes! This is the way! Okay, how do I fish? How do I fish? Start. I don't even know how to fish. Kaya mo yan, medyo matagal laruin pero goods. How do I open? How do I fish? After, press Alt, and then to, okay. Press Alt. Space to confirm. Press Alt, and then hold. Okay, okay, okay! Come on, don't waste my bait. So how do I press? Oh my gosh. I know how to fish. I play Stardew Valley. Ah! Press Alt, then F4. Wait lang. Paano nga ba to? Ah, hindi pala kiniklik. Minumove lang pala yung yung mouse. Ang dali lang pala mag-fish dito. Nice. How do I see? Nice! See, I'm good at fishing. Ay, mali. Ang dali lang mag-fish dito. Baka yun na lang gagawin ko sa game na to. Face. I got 22. Okay, last one. May guild nga dyan, nagmamajong lang. I'm a big, kasi, mahilig kasi ako magbasa ng Chinese novels. Kaya, natutuwa ako. I get to play, wuxia themed. Wait, did I win? I won! I'm better than him at fishing and it's my first time to fish. Made a Jianghu friend. Friends na kami? Oh my gosh, bakit ganun yung mukha niya? Bakit naging iba siya? Babae pala siya. Hindi ko napansin. Pro-Chinese. What? May guild. Wait. So, ano nga bang ginagawa ko? Ay, ito yung dito ako nabuhay kanina. Oh, there's another cat. Tignan nyo to, guys. I will show you the beauty in this game. Okay? We gave belly rubs and the cat does not bite us. See? Yes, we're wind's meat. Tama ka, yun. Wait, I will get embers. Hindi ko nga ginagawa yung ibang puzzles eh. I get embers again. Get more embers. Okay, so saan na tayo pupunta?
香水
Oh, mighty drop.
绅士，
Oh, thrust.
不对，在开坛宴宣布，应是和大家都
Oh,
有认识。
ganun pala. Pwede pala. Uy, sino to? Ay, hindi pala kami pwede maglaban kasi mababa pa yung ko. Daily rub. Yeah, may petting. Yeah. Cute. Specs needed to play this game. I have no idea, Drew. I think you can play this in mobile in December 12. Pero sa PC, I have no idea. Kailangan basta 100 gig to. So, I erased a lot. Bawal i-attack yung cat, pero pwede yung aso. Cat lover at ang devs. Pwede yung aso i-attack? Hindi ko yun alam.
砍九肯定抢手。江叔要
Pag
还在，
mag-proceed sa story,
还得
pwede kang
熊
sumali
孩
sa
子才能
guilds.
多得两个。
Yeah! Wait. What's this?
山中
Wine
清静，
scented
水
jade.
里逍遥。
Hi, kitties! I pet the cat again. Bakit ganyan yung itsura ng cat? Uy, ibang klase! Ibang way ng petting. Aww! Give butt pats. Hindi niya binibigyan ng butt pats. Uy, I can swim? What do you mean I can swim?
少东家好。
Pwede ba ako mag-dive? Uy, ang galing ko mag-swimming, oh. Ano? Why? Swim fast. Uy, pwede na ako mag-swimming lang. Try mong attack yung aso. Uy, what's this? May nahulog. Snow parrot? Ooh. Boundary stone. Heaven spear. Wait lang, I want to swim. Alam nyo bang ito lang yung ginagawa ko sa Genshin? Nagsiswimming ako sa fountain. Wow, what's this? Another jade. Another jade. Who's this? You're fishing? I am known as a good fisher. I don't fish cats from our Orthodox faction. Hindi ko pa po nagagawa yung quest. Nag-fishing lang ako. From an Orthodox faction. I have no idea. So strong pa carry. I will carry you in the fishing game because I am good at fishing. Okay. Papakitaan ko kayo how to play this game. Hello, Jay? Are you Jose? Wait, let me. Okay. Una, cast your lines far. And then, I will read donations maya-maya pala. And then, oops. Mouse pala yung gagamitin dito. Hindi ko magamit yung drawing tablet ko. Ang bagal niya kasi gumalaw. Pero pag mouse, mabilis gumalaw. Ang hirap naman ito mag-fish. Ah! Matatalo ako. Yan. Fishing, yeah. Incorrect bait usage? What do you mean incorrect bait usage? You're holding the rod wrong? What? Even fishing, an Orthodox faction talaga. New game. Hello, Jay. I'm playing Where Winds Meet. Tama ba? Where Winds Meet nga ba? Hindi Where Wind Meets. I'm good at fishing. See? Space. Incorrect bait usage uli! Paano yun? Ay, ito pala. Ayun pala, worm bait. Oh my gosh. Mali pala ako ng bait. Marunong na ako mag ng bait. Yes. Mumei. It's Where Winds Meet. Ano laro yan? Hello, Kaiji. Where Winds Meet. Where Winds Meet. Wait lang. I'm fishing. It's a fishing game. You go from crocheting to gaming. Natalo ako! Can I compete with you again? Yes. I will show everyone that I'm good at fishing. From crochet to game. Ayaw kainin yung worm bait. Ito na. Papalitan ko. Ayan na, worm bait na. Tama na ako. Mali. Hindi ko na agad yung Hindi ko na agad na yung malayo yung casting. Yan. Sana pwede na to. Yes! Okay. I have good, may laban tayo. Not Alt F4. This is, this is called Where Winds Meet, the fishing game. So here, you customize the character, and then you go from person to person to compete with them in fishing. And I think I'm gonna get the... Ala, incorrect bait usage. Plant bait daw. Wait, nasa yung plant bait? Ayun. Ba yan? Matatalo pala ata ako. Fishing game. Free ba yung game? Yes, it's free. Tapos magkakaroon siya ng mobile sa mobile sa December 12. Kaso, dito sa PC, 100 gig agad siya. So, I don't know sa mobile. Sana optimize siya. Matatalo na ako. Isa na lang. Favorite food, dough bait. Nasa yung dough bait? Yan na, last one. Sana manalo ko. Ala, nire-reel in yan na. I have a chance pa. Hindi niya yan makukuha yung fish na yan. Sinusumpa yung kalaban eh, no? Wait lang. Focusing on fishing. I lost! Meron light version. Ay, ganon. 64 gig lang, nice. Ayoko na. Sa susunod ko na lang kita kakalabanin. Okay? Maghanda ka. I will take my revenge. Tao Ting Liu. Swimming muna tayo. Wow, ang ganda naman ng area na yun. Gusto ko dun pumunta. Kaso yung quest nandun. Pero mamaya tayo pupunta sa quest. Pupunta muna tayo dito. Ano to signpost? Uy, what's this? Wild mushroom. Nice. Kill the NPC. No, I'm a changed man. Wanted na kasi. Hello, Auntie Tan. Ay, maraming quest. Wait lang, kukunin ko muna tong Nasaan na yun? Yun, merong What the heck? Hey guys. Hello, friends. Are you all dancing? Can you teach me? Teach me how to dance? Whoa! What are you guys doing? What's this, G? Wine pressing? What? I can do this? Can I do this? What's this? Oh, meron siyang bar sa taas, oh. Ano ibig sabihin ng bar sa taas? Papatayin siya? Hello? What are you doing? Nahihirapan siya. Teach me how to doggy. Sa wakas naliligo na. Optimized yung mobile version. Nice. Wait lang, akyat tayo dito. Diba? Nagamit tayo ng hagdan. So, anong meron dito? Wala namang maganda. Wait, papakita ko sa inyo, nagbabalance siya. Ang cute. Pag naglalakad. Pa tayo magpakita. Ayan, no? Cute, oh. I saw a peony. I get the peony. Same size ata. Pag nakulong ako, ano mangyayari? Meron bang mawala sa akin? Uy, ano to? Ay, hindi kita kakausapin. Greet. Ay, baka may bibigay siya sa akin. This is Brother Gu. What is this? G. Lime addition? Oh. Uy, ba't dalawa yung chests? There's another cat. I love ginger cats. Pet. May parid kapag nakulong. Wow! Nice! I want to try. Where winds meet. Yes, Cryo. I petted the ginger cat. I love ginger kitties. The goose, do you know? I died to a goose. Let's try. Oh. Let's try and see if I can win now. I'm not dodging because I don't know how to play. Where even is the goose? I can't see it. Goosebuster! I'm a goosebuster! Nice! See ya, Washi! Ang bangis. Ba't ka naglalaro ngayon? Kaya pala pinaglaruan ka lang, ha? Hello, New. Hindi ako yung naglalaro. Ako yung pinaglaruan. Gan ba yun? Wait lang. Kailangan ko umakyat dito. Ba't hindi ako makaakyat? Napakaangas. Goose is the hidden dragon warrior. Namatay na ako sa Goose last time. I wanted to do my revenge. Goosebuster ang kalaban. Antitan patapak. Hindi ako makaakyat dun sa bubong. I just want to explore the bubong. Wait, what's this? May sandok. Ay, dito pala tayo akyat. Platforming game. This is a platforming game. Uy, merong ano sa ano. Whoa, this is the new Ferris wheel. Oh my gosh. Anyways. Uy, may wine-scented jade. Nasaan na yun? Swallow nest. Okay, I'm ready. Naka-laptop, hindi pa naka-PC. Hello, Seraph. Nice FPS. I can't handle the radiation. My eyes hurt. See ya. Woshi. Ng Riz. Chinese fishing game. Yes. I play as a fisherman. Wait lang, nasan yung ano? Anong ginagawa ko dito? Ay, mag-request na nga pala ako. Time limited. What's this? What's this? Pardon parade in progress? Anong ibig sabihin nito? Parade list? Uy, manonood tayo ng parade! Tara. Manonood tayo ng parade. Yan mangyayari sa'yo pag nakulong ka. Magpapakulong ba? You can switch between online and solo modes later. What the? Nasa ano na ako? Online mode. Ito na yung mga ano. Yung ibang mga ano. Uy, ang ganda mo, girl! Hello. Hi. You look nice. I like your dress. Wait. What's G? Add friend. Apply. Invite to team. No. What the heck? Can you fight people here? Oh my gosh, beautiful. Hello. Nice tail. I like your tail. Hi, madam. Hello, Jim-chan. Batuhin mo ng gulat at itlog. Meron akong pwedeng batuhin dito? Pwede ko bang panain yung mga tao dito? Ano mangyari pag pinana ko sila? Nasaan yung parada? Hindi ko makita. Ayun. Magsuswimming muna ako. Oh, what's this? Grabe yung lag. Grabe yung lag pag... Oh, blessed land. What am I doing? Pwede akong mag-cultivate? Wow! Nanood lang tayo. FPS draft dahil maraming player. Kaya nga eh. Hindi ako makapanood kahapon. Nag-live ka ba? Hindi! Hindi ako nag-live kahapon. First time nag-online. Can you fight people here? Sorry! Kasi I'm scared. Paano kung kakalabanin nila ako tas mga level 60, ganun. Game name, we're Windsmith. Nag-aano pa ako, nagsasayaw. Switch action. Gusto ko, hindi yan. What's this? What's this facility? Cultivation moves. Random mode off. Currently losing random. Nakikita ba ako ng ibang tao? Grabe yung FPS drop oh. Daming tao dito. Uy, mayroong nakatingin sa akin. Kaso di ko siya makita. Oh, may cute girl doon. Wait lang, wala bang cute boys? Paano ako umalis dito? Di ba ako dito makakaalis? It's Saturday. I thought you will cook. It's Sunday. I cook during Sundays. Cute boys. Lahat ng boys dyan, either may basket yung ulo or may mascara. F3, alis. Ayun. Thank you. Ay. Ayun na. Dito, gusto ko dito sa gitna para kasama ko yung mga tao. Wow, ang dami nagko-cultivate. Nick! Bakit ganyan lang suot mo? Puro may mga balbas yung ano, guys. Walang cute boys. Ah! Join nap! Join. Wait, anong ginagawa namin? Wow! Ganyan pala yung pose. What the heck? Uy, wow, cute girl. Wow. So cool. Sa pakin mo yung maingay. Music to my ears. Hirap naman ng ganyang pwesto pag magtulog. Okay. Next one. Ano pang pwede natin gawin? For cheers? Sige, gusto ko. Ini-invite niya ako for cheers. Hello, Eva Critical. Anong gagawin ko? Nagiinuman kami? Tama ba? Yun ang cheers? Nagiinuman? Oh. Start cultivation. Uy, may cute girl sa likod ko. Wait, paano ko to switch action? Gusto ko ito. Confirm switch. Confirm. Ano nangyayari? Oh, yung ganda nila, oh. Ang ganda ng ano. Para sabay sila sabay silang nagka-cultivate. Pwede ba ako dun sumali? F3. Hello. Excuse me. Sali ako. Sana yung sasalihan ko. Ito. G. Ayun, join synchronized sword. Yan na. Sama na ako. Wow! Bakit hindi maganda yung sa akin? Bakit yung kanila iba? Ba't hindi ako sabay? Man! Bakit ganito yung actions ko? Gusto ko nang kasama eh. F3. Sa iba naman ako sasama. Try natin. Baka pareho na kami ng moves. Join synchronized sword light. Start cultivation. Sige, join. Sino yung sinamahan ko? Ay, si Nordic Bruin. Oy, ano na kami? Meron na akong kapartner. Wow! Malapit na umataas yung blessing ko. Di ka daw nag-practice. Malapit na ako mag 3,000. Grabe. Uy, ang ganda nung kanilang dalawa, yung sa dalawa sa likod ko. Bakit kami hindi ganyan? Bakit ako nakaganon lang? Siya maraming actions. Switch action. Lapit na ako mag 3,000. Hintayin na lang natin tapos alis na tayo dito. Manonood pala tayo ng parada. Ngayon ko lang naalala. Nakalimutan ko. Ayun na, event complete. Continue. Wow, ang dami kong Ang dami kong nakuha. Tara. Paano ko tumayo? Nasaan na yung prisoner? Let's go to the prisoner. Uy! What the heck? Hello, beauty. Wait, how do I take a photo? Ay, hindi pwede! Man! Hindi pwedeng, photo together. Nasaan na? Yung parada. Grabbing FPS drop. What is this? With animals? Oh, mamaya. Yung, nasaan yung prisoner? Ay, ayun. 33. Prisoner. Nasaan yung prisoner? The prisoner is not in the current scene. Oh, ito! Ganito yung mangyayari sa akin! What the heck? Paano ako magbato-bato? What the heck? What the heck? Ito yung mangyayari sa akin kapag nakulong ako. So funny! Pwede ko bang kunin yung horse na to? Gusto ko ng white na horse. Kaso namatay. Uy, ang ganda niya! Ganda ng damit niya, pati ng hat niya. G. Add as friend. Random. Uy, may raspberry. Paano ako magbato? A Q. Tas E. Ganun pala yun. What the heck? Kulang pa sa flower. Ha? Gawa ka ng crime, tapos ganyan din mangyari. Ang pangit naman ng itsura kapag ganyan, pag naggawa ng crime, ba't ganyan itsura? Pag minsan kahit nasa boss fight, hinuhuli. May open mic din dyan. How do you open mic? E. At ayaw na magbato. Oh, what the heck? Ang ganda. Ang ganda naman ng cape. What the? Ang ganda! Ay, siya pala yung kanina. Pero bakit ganyan yung sombrero niya? Bakit nasa kalahati lang ng ulo niya? So, ito na yung yung MMORPG part ng game. There's a beauty! Hello, Miss Beauty. Wait. What's this? Bakit may light? May namatay? Ay, may nag-PVP. Ang ganda ng horse! Whoa. What are they doing? Naglalabanan sila? Oh no, hindi ata ako dito pwede kasi I'm a baby pa. Merit pool? What's merit pool? Post lock. Man. Beauty. There's beauty. What's this? Mag-play siya ng... Oh. So, pwede rin ba dito mag-farm ng material? Hindi ayaw maputol ng puno. What's this? Wala. Wow! Fish! Grilled fish! Smoked fish. Kausapin mo NPC, tas spam ka sa merit pool. Spam? Sige, tara. Beauty. Two beauties. Together. Beauties! Hello, beauties! Oh my gosh, kamukha ni Watching! Hello, friends. You are all beautiful. NPC? What NPC? Uy, ganda rin. Talk to the villager nearby to unlock. Oh, where's the villager nearby? What the heck is this suit? SpongeBob! I see SpongeBob with me. What the heck? F7. Hindi talaga pwede mag-photo together. Walang kutingking. Wala po. SpongeBob. Wait lang. Saan yung ano? Kasing NPC. Wait. Bakit? What is an NPC? Paano ko malalaman kung NPC siya? Naglalabanan sila? Ba't hindi ko nakikita yung kalaban niya? Si Lay 1. Okay. Looking for Lay 1. Lay 1. Where are you? Uy. Oh! What's this draw? Oh my gosh! No, I won't draw. Oh my gosh. Uy, merong nag-ano sa akin. Gusto mag-ano. Gusto niya akong i-heal! Thank you. Wow! Hello, Savvy. I'm not British in this game. I'm a Chinese. Bone setting. Where do you feel discomfort? Head problems. Healing successful. Yay! Thank you, Lowan. You will pay the promised fee! What do you mean? I don't have money. Face. I'm looking for an NPC. Ayun, nakita ko na siya. Hello, villager. I have found you. How is my favorite British queen doing? I am doing all good. Unlock giveaway. How to toss coins? Yes, I want to toss coins. You are seeing today. This game is based on Chinese. No, it's essentially Chinese genre. Wishes to treat you? Likes times 5? Okay. Likes times 5 lang. Gusto niya akong i-treat. Ina-accept ko naman. Ba't ayaw niya? Dami kong sakit. Likes lang yung bayad pag hinil. Ay, ganun ba? You're going to walk a lot. Working. Is that then to the win game? Yes, this is indeed. Okay. F. Oh, okay, do this. What? What? Accept. Am I still sick? Everyone wants to heal me because I look good. Keep working. My friend keeps spamming me to play it, but I'm too tired of MMORPGs. It's essentially, I think this is the MMORPG part. Thank you everyone who healed me. Throughout the caves and the mines, I alone yearn for the mine. Wow. Okay, what am I gonna do now? Hindi ata tayo makakapag-quest. Everyone wants you so bad. Okay, how do I merit pool? What am I doing in the merit pool? I'm tossing coins. Oh, I got health luck! Nice! More. Yes! What are these? Peach Blossom luck! Health luck! Whoa! Allow you to get bird eggs after bumping into trees! Is there an eternal vow? What is an eternal vow? Magkakaroon ba ako ng ano? Magkakaroon ba ako ng significant other? May kota kasi sila sa ila. Ay, ganun ba? Hello, Maruya. What, Maruya? Oy, tinakpan niya ako. But he's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Tumuli siya. G. Add friend. Pinagkagulan, EQ. Spam mo lang hanggang mag-limit. Bluebird. Wait lang. Yan. Oh my gosh, beautiful! Another beauty! Bakit sila may flowers? Gusto ko rin ng flowers. Pero ano ata yan? Oh my gosh, nasa loob siya ng full. Ma-unlock ko yung emotes dito. Yay! Uy! Magkaharap nyo sa isa't isa. What the heck is this? Scary! He's kotoing. Kotoing in the air. Limit reach na. Limit reach na ba? Hindi ko napansin. Wow! It's a fairy with a goose! Oh, a goose mount. Ang ganda! What the? There's cat ears. Okay, we shall now go here. Oh, what's this? In ears? What's this? The greatest bartender? What the? Why was I hit? What the freak? Why can't I walk? What? Ay, magbebenta siya sa akin? What's a rice bowl? I have 9,000. Yep, sa F2 yung emotes. Limit reach na. May post na beg. Bakit hindi ako makalakad? Oops, ayun. F2. Oh! Ba't ako kamot ng kamot? Naichika ng ibang player. What the heck? Wait, how do I go out of here? How do I get out of here? Control. What the? Looks like Ito. Wait, anong ginagawa ko? 0. Oh. Wandering paths. Oh! Casual co-op. Arena bounty trials. Oh! So, what am I doing here? Click mo yun din, balik ka sa solo. Sa dalawang tao. Oh, this one. Oh! What the heck? Pwede rin to? Solo co-op mode. Ano tong breakthrough? Ay, hindi pa ako pwede mag-breakthrough kasi level 10 pa lang ako. So, anong gagawin ko dito? Ay, hindi. Enter. Ayun! Every level 10 or 20 nangangating karak. Nangangati pa rin ako! Nasaan na yung yung quest natin? Oh my gosh. May drinking contest? Oh! My food! I want food! Give me food! Braised pork belly slices! Let me have a taste. What? Total price 15. I have 305. Private funds. Okay, I will buy one. Last 20 minutes. Pahil ka ulit ng Ichi. 30 seconds yan bago mawala. Mas lap trip yung overjoyed kasi pag nag-chat ka, merong hassle. Uy, talaga, ang galing naman nun. Sige, I will buy one. I think I'm rich enough to afford braised pork belly slices. Haha, friends na kami ni Yuan Shanshan. Receive the gift. Yes, I got a gift. What's this life story? Yuan Shanshan, the younger sister, inherits her father's palate. First salty. When she was a child, she could down 3 bowls of rice, paired with nothing but her father's braised pork. Oh, parang Pinoy yan ah. When she grows up, she hopes to carry on their father's cuisine. She studies cooking in earnest, gathering empty jars from Sweetwater Hall and stashing them beneath her bed, packed full with sauces she brews by hand. Every night she drifts off to sleep in the warm, savory scent of fermenting spice. Come to the 12th lunar month, when everyone lines up to buy assorted stew for the new year. Her stall stretches into the street, but Chen fears the cold, sneezing and sniffling keep her home during the deepest chill. Still, the pots of assorted stew she leaves behind always sell out. She always knows who helps her but never says it out loud. The next time she sees you and Tian Tian, they bicker all the same. Yung tulungan siya ni Yuan Tian Tian. Oh, yung older sister niya. Okay, that's nice. Give a gift. I give you a gift, but I don't have gifts. Dang. Okay, I'm done. Yay, we end stream here. Hello, Kiyoshi. We will end stream here and I will catch you all. Thank you all. Hello Casey. I'm gonna end stream. I'm gonna read donations na lang muna. And then we will end stream. Kaka-join ko lang. Let's read the donations. Bald Mr. Gabo sent heart me. Bibi Bawap sent heart me. Thank you so much, Bald Mr. Gabo and Bibi Bawaps. Jaser Laksamana sent ice cream cone ×1. Thank you so much, Jaser. Leonard sent rose ×10. Thank you so much, Leonard. Leonard sent heart me. Thanks so much, Leonard. Fable sent rose. Thank you so much, Fable. Ace Whole Pad sent heart me. Thank you so much, Ace Whole Pad. Jay sent heart me. Jay sent go popular. Thank you so much, Jay. Jim sent heart me. Jim Chan sent Santa heart. Thank you so much, Jim Chan. Yay! At ayan, dyan nagtatapos ang ating Where Winds Meet gameplay. Actually not gameplay, fishing gameplay and looting gameplay. Yeah, end stream na. Cause I need to go. And I have volunteer. Extend. Extend. Pupunta ata si Mishi sa sa store. Ano oras ba siya pupunta? Tingnan natin. So, at least ready na ako dun pumunta if ever. In favor of extension, say I. What the heck? Ayan o, narinig nyo ba yung aking alarm? Power 7S, send heart me. Power 7S, send go popular. Power 7S, send go popular. Thank you so much, Power 7S. Ay, kayong dalawa lang na. Ano ang i-extend ko? picture together ng mga NPC. Uy, siyang the greedy. Greedy siya. Ba siya greedy? Extend 30 minutes. Kakain pa ako ng ng breakfast. Our vote holds 10 value of viewers. Oo nga, gus duck everyone later. For those who haven't joined, we have a DC server. And we're gonna have game night at 8 p.m. At 8 p.m. we're gonna play Goose Duck. So if you want to join our server, just DM me for the link. And we will also have movie night at 9:30 p.m. Philippine time. So DM me for the GC server link. And join us later. We're gonna play. Next week naman, Gartic phone. Eh, next week nandito ba ako? Ay, oo, nandito ako. BL convention ko, December 20. So, wala ako nun. You shan't ignore our call for extension. Sige, 15 minutes lang. Ayan, compromise with everyone. Saan yung convention? Sa Bayanihan Center sa Boni? Saan ba yung Boni? Mandaluyong ba yun? Pero nagbili na kami ng tickets kasi mabilis agad yun mawalan lang last September or October pa ata. BL Convention. Yaoi Expo. Yeah. It's a convention. Mga artists booth lang man nandun. Tapos minsan may mga paano sila. May mga events. Ganon. Okay. 15 minutes extension. Nag-download na ako ng Download na ako ng BL. Yeah! BL. Wait lang, ayaw ma-recognize yung tablet ko. Ayaw magamit yung mouse. Wait lang. Gartic phone. Next week. Try naman natin yun. Hehe. Ooh! Hello!
这江湖里大侠没几个，
Anong a-ask ko sa kanya?
谈
Oh,
不上
there's-
什么猫腻，不过是些江湖上的
Sa
小
Pasig yun. Ay,
把式。
Pasig yun.
来来来，好看
什么好宝贝
江湖中用来戏，
啊？
Nullify.
难不成他要自废武功？
非也非
Yo
也。
前辈是说这自备是如此化？
嗯，
不行，我
仅仅接他打，
可是前辈，难道
当然不是。你
Bibigyan niya ako ng technique.
气之间合而摄之，小心些。
有没有？
Fun.
给本大爷过一招的，来投10两银子。
Oh, ito pala yun!
好玩好玩，你这崽子倒有几分天赋。
Makakakita po ba ng lightsaber?
你的功夫好？
Ang masasabi ko lang guys, it's an 18 plus event. Bawal ang minor doon.
球？
Alam niyo na.
您这嗨，
Kasi nga,
我就知道哪里
may
来
mga
前辈
uncensored
请问当年发生了什么？
art.
当年怎样不重要。
Pero usually binibili ko lang naman dun mga VTuber merch.
服的没了你
Kasi
契丹
di pala pwede dun. Minor ka?
可前辈，
想不到这偌大的神仙
Wait,
洞
anong ginagawa ko? Ay, challenge Huwei. Sige, challenge ko siya. Magpapatayan kami. Ay, hindi pala.
还有没
Mag-drinking
有？
challenge.
没有吗？
慢，
我当的是谁？原来是不
I'm
四
the
学
young
的少
master
东
of
家
blissful
少东家
retreat. Yes, of course.
这药理，
姓胡的，你别起。
哎，姓胡的，对对对，胡老官，
哦，喝，哎，不成，
15 minutes later. May minor issue sa ulo, naglagla ata sa pool. What
没了
the
谢
heck?
工单，胡老官儿你就喝。
什么？谢公单？啊，还等什么？想
Oh my gosh, bubugbugin siya
他都不认识。
habang ano siya.
哎，别跑！你这站住！姓胡的。
Pwede ko ba siyang atakihin? Kaso baka makulong na naman ako. Sino yung kakausapin ko? Chuya, hi.
这家伙
Anong lasa ng burger sa craft mo? Hello, Shin! We have the same name.
想混下去
Burger sa
谁不
crafts
带点
ko.
本事
Siyempre masarap. Pag ako gumawa,
难
masarap.
道是这个样子吗？
小崽子，你以为江湖
What
是
did you
什么
think
呀？
the
江湖里有大
Jianghu
侠，
was?
有宝藏，
In the Jianghu,
有腥风
there are
血雨，
heroes and
有
treasures,
风花雪月，
battles and romance, hatred and love. No, you got it all wrong. Out here, staying alive is what
我
really
小
matters.
鱼有小鱼，
阿姨前辈的说法，
By your
江湖和
words,
这
the
村子也
Jianghu
很像，
sounds just like the
只是
village.
村子很
Yeah,
小，江
it's
湖很
much
大。
bigger. Wouldn't be
你去
ashamed
看
not to
喜
see
不
it
遗憾？
for
闯
ourselves.
闯也好。对了，你也别小看你，待会儿找亲走娃娃。
Oy! Celestial Seas. Oh, counter with their weapon. Nice. Equip now. Saan yun? Saan ba yun? Yun. Ha 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 ha. Alis na ako. Pwede ka na mag-end live. Pasinong burger na may kagat mo pag satisfied na bibilang 5 pieces. Ha? Walang kagat yun. Hindi ako nabili ng BL sa National Bookstore. Sa ganong convention, makikita mo magagandang babae. Kakagatan mo nga ni. Hindi. Deploy. Okay, so anong ginagawa natin? What's this? Thank you for noticing me. Here's a tip in the spear behind it. What? What's this? Hello, Ricardo. My friend. Ricardo, my friend. May raspberry, may raspberry. Oh, what's... Oh, I can climb up. Ano pong laro ito? Ako po ay naglalaro ng ng Where Winds Meet. Chinelas? Anong chinelas? Napanood ng Heated Rivalry. Hindi. Ano yun?
就放在那儿。
Hello,
证书这么早就来碰
Akazu.
呢？
今年醉仙院来的人太多，现在赶快把坑搭上，省得日头上
Wala
人
si
挤
Kad.
人。说起来，红线呢？他又拉着你跑出去
Wait,
了。
siya yung tatay ni Ruby?
瞒不过周叔，是广胡子的
Ah,
小
ang cute talaga ng character ko.
回来。
哦，今年又是广胡子来啊？红线在他那儿。
没有没有，我们就是偶然路过。
Ganda talaga ng character ko.
哎，老是我韩娘子刚刚还在找你。这回的开坛宴，韩娘子重视的紧，可是有大事要说的，
Ano yung T?
不得松懈啊！
今年醉仙月可真热闹，将
Lotuses, Inner Way, new feature unlocked. Press to view. What's this? Comprehend way. Kahit ano ba dito? Ito na lang. Insight cost Ay, wala pala akong ganyan. Asan yung gumagawa ng bracelet? Hello, Hoshi Zora. Wala, hindi ko na-charge yung camera ko ngayon, kaya naglalaro na lang ako.
没有，韩娘
What's this?
还在打。
Peach pot? Ano meron dyan? Ah! Inuman kami! Move the small reticle. On the way na sa shop. Ha! Wala pa ako doon! Single reticle tutorial. Ano yun? Drunken precision. Ah, ganun pala. Gets. Ano? Hindi ko gets. Alis na ako. Lost yung character. 1% na ako. See you! Okay, we will end stream na. Pupunta na ako sa labas. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I will catch you all in the next time. Bye-bye! Bye guys. Join our DC server. DM me for the link. Bye everyone. Bye, restarted. DM me for the link. We're gonna have game night and movie night later. 8 p.m. and 9:30 p.m. Bye-bye! Live. Walang live mamaya.